I just realized that my mic was muted. Hello, welcome. Today we're gonna be doing some PSDK stuff, trying to make more moves working in PSDK, because it's one of the things that PSDK is kind of lacking in, is, you know, the coding aspect for moves and abilities. And I think that's one big reason on why the battle update didn't go live when it was supposed to. So because of that, I've been, you know, I dabbled in it last night. It wasn't too hard to do. I mean, I did it. It did take me a long time to do one move, but the one move is working. It's working right, so that's cool. What's good, Calf? Mr. Greg's Bugs. Tao, dude, what's good, bro? Tech, Calf, Zaire, Ben, and Z-Strike. Let me just let everyone know over on the Discord that we are live. Let me know if the music's too loud or if it's too quiet. You can't hear it at all. Today, like I said, we are going to be doing some coding. We're not gonna be mapping or anything today. You know, I'm still trying to learn it, so obviously I'm gonna probably fuck up a lot. I'm gonna have to do a lot of testing. Gonna be going back and forth, looking at stuff. But let me just let everyone know that we are live. Send. I think I should post this on Twitter as well, just because. So let's do that. Go to Twitter. Boom, boom. Excuse me, guys. We are live with a little coding for moves in PSDK. All right, attach picture, and boom. Okay, we're good. So, what's good, legend? I'm fine, man. How are you? I'm doing pretty good, bro. I'm just kind of chilling. This shit looks boring and hard as fuck. I'm too stupid for this. It probably will be boring, to be honest. It probably will be boring, but it's something that I want to do right now anyways. And I also wanted to stream at the same time. I didn't necessarily want to stream this, but I haven't streamed in basically a week, and I've been postponing streams, so yeah, this is what you guys get, and unfortunately it's probably not what you guys want, but this is this is what we're doing. So anyways, the first move that we're gonna do is going to be, am I in the right one? No, I'm not. Okay. Whoa, okay, bottom. So this is the one that I did strength sap. You can tell it's me because there's a little bit more documentation than when it comes to the other moves. Also, it's in English while the other ones are in French. So it's gonna be a little bit of confusion. I'm gonna be going. So I don't know Ruby. I'm not gonna act like I know it, but I do have an understanding of how to program, and because of that, I can understand this when I'm looking at it to a degree. It's not too complicated, but there will be some trial and error. So yeah, we did strength sap, and this time we're gonna do origin pulse. So it's not if you don't know what origin pulse is, here, let me pull it up. I believe this is it's a signature move for Kyogre, so it's kind of interesting. But if you have the ability Mega Launcher, it boosts the power by 50%. Again, interesting, because the only Pokemon that can learn it is Kyogre, and he doesn't get Mega Launcher. So I don't know why, but Mega Launcher does increase it. So yeah, weird. But anyways, I don't know why they did this. They gave a move does more damage when it has an ability that it can't have, but anyways, we're gonna write it how it's supposed to be. So let me just put this back over here. Another thing, PSDK has a little database, so I'm gonna be looking at this. Now I'm gonna be doing this on the other screen, so you guys probably wouldn't even see this anyways. You're pretty much only going to see this, but this lets me know what abilities are able to be used, so that's kind of nice. Okay. If you know one programming language, then you can understand most of the others. Yeah, exactly. If you whoops. If you know it, then like if you know anything, like as long as you can understand it, you can pretty much learn the other stuff, even if it is in another language entirely. Kyogre can get Mega Launcher via a skill swap. Okay, that makes sense then. I guess that makes sense. You're just setting yourself up though, unless it learns skill swap, which maybe it does. Anyways, so we're gonna define S origin pulse, and then I'm just gonna copy and paste this first off. I'm just gonna copy and paste that because I don't want to I don't want to type all that. I've been sub for about a month, and my question is, why is your name Buttjuice? Honestly, it's literally just because I was a kid. Yeah, I was a kid when I made it, and it was like stupid, quirky, funny name on Gary's mod, and I just haven't changed it, and so I just made my YouTube name that as well. The Soul Silver protagonist, I mean, it's just the Johto protagonist in general. I mean, it's the same protagonist as when it was back in Gold, Silver, and Crystal. Did you remove the command for that question? I think I did. I don't know. You're still a kid? I mean, dude, I'm like 22. I'm 22, bro. I'm not really a kid anymore. I'm not really a kid anymore. I don't actually know what this does, to be honest. I just know that this basically, I think this allows you to use launcher, which is the person who's using the move, target, which is obviously who you're attacking, the skill, and then it'll also use message push, which is going to put out a message, which I don't actually know if I need that one because it's just a regular basic attack. So I don't know if I need message push because I think it's going to do that anyways by itself. I could probably delete that, and I probably will. Maybe. We'll see. Because the only other one I've made was... I actually don't like this song. I don't like the Driftville City remix. We're going to the next one. How many years until you're done with school? I think I have one more semester until I get my my AS, and then I'm gonna have another 2 years to get my BS, and then once I have my BS, I think I'm done. I think I'm getting a dude, I don't even remember anymore. I've switched my major like so many times, it's really fucked me. It's actually fucked me. So I'm in school a lot longer than I needed to be. Okay, so let's see. So this is used. I just realized I did this wrong. Whoopsies. Okay, yeah. So this right here is used in RubyHost, which we will be using. I will actually show you that. I will show you that. So we don't need that one open. Moves, here we go. So origin pulse, here we go. Right here, we're going to need to change this into S origin pulse because it is a custom move, because it does have the little funky thing where it does more damage if it has the specific ability, which you can't actually code that in here. So that's why we have to code it here and use the definition here in the symbol. What's good, Tech? Or sorry, Luke, as in the bachelor's in the US. Yeah, so I'm gonna be getting my associates. It's either in the arts or it's in the science. I don't remember which one it's considered now. Because like I said, I've switched my majors a lot, and the one that I'm currently getting, I want to say it's only an associate's in science, which means I'm gonna get a BS degree, which sounds bad because it sounds like you're getting a bullshit degree, but yeah. I have the strange glitch on YouTube where I can't subscribe to a certain channel. I just tried to sub to somebody and nope. Weird. Very weird. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna save this. The power is 110, the accuracy is 85, so it looks like this part was already in there. I didn't do that. It does do adjacent foes, so that's good. Water special. Okay, cool. So I just have to do something really minor. And also Yuri, the one who makes PSDK, did give me a little something. So basically what we need to do is, so if the what is it called, if the user has Mega Launcher ability, right? So if you do if launcher ability DB symbol, so this is new to me, the DB symbol part, because I didn't use this before, and this is definitely not in essentials. It doesn't use something like this. I spelled launcher wrong. It's so annoying. I need a third monitor. I officially need a third monitor now. What's up, Buttjuice? What's good, Victoria? So which legendary is going to be in the game? This is just coding for PSDK. This isn't specifically for Umbra. Kind of funny to say that you have a degree in BS though. Yeah, it is kind of funny. This stuff hurts my brain. Maybe I don't want to make video games when I grow up. Nah, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. I promise you. I promise you it's not that bad. When you first look at it, it looks really, really, really bad, but it's not. It's really not. As much as I want to say, stay and be a backseat programmer, I really do need to sleep. See you. All right, Ben. Sorry for starting late. I know that you, I know that you've been sitting here for like 30 minutes, dude. I apologize. I do. Okay, so if this, then how do I do this? So I need to look at another move that does more damage in a certain situation. So let's say, what does more Hurricane? No. What's a move that does more damage based on something? Because I just need to see how it calculates the damage. Because like I said, I haven't done, you know, I'm still learning quite a bit. Got coffee, it's a good reason to be late. None of these, that's for sure. What if I suck at artistic stuff? Well, you don't have to be good at art. If you're good at programming, you can, you know, work with other people. Hex? Yeah, Hex. Here we go. Hex has more damage if the opponent has a status. So what this says basically is if the target that you're attacking has status. So if the target status doesn't equal 0, I'm assuming equals 0 means it has no status whatsoever. So if it doesn't equal 0, then the skill power is going to do times 2. Okay. That's pretty simple. And then you just do end and then this stuff. Okay. I'm going to actually copy this part. I'm going to copy that part because it looks exactly like what we need. Thank you so much for the, I want to say it was a sub. I totally missed it. I don't know what it was, but I'm going to assume it's a sub. So thank you for whoever just subbed. Okay, let's go back to the bottom. Okay, so this was used for Hex. We'll just do this. So skill power 2 equals skill power times 2. And S basic launcher targets. I mean, this is literally like, what's up, man? Dark Mighty to say hi. My screen is too small to read any of the text that's being streamed, but I'll be listening. Oh, hi, Sapphire. Well, thanks for coming by. I think this is literally like, we're good. I would want to test it first. I want to actually, you know what? I'm gonna pull down Hex. Just so I can make sure it's pretty much the same. Does it work? It runs far away. What's up, Yuri? Okay, so origin, pulse. Okay. I just want to compare them and look at each other. So launcher, target, skill, message push equals true. Okay, that looks right. Okay, wait, Yuri, can you tell me what this does? Oh, true. It's not this. It's a 50%, not 2 times. It's 50%. So that would be, it wouldn't be plus 100%. Can you do that? Can you do 50%? Does it work like that? Skill power 2, skill power times 2 is equal to plus 50%. Okay. Skill power times 2 is plus equal 50%. Like that? Nope. Okay. Equals plus skill power. Okay, wait. So power times 1.5 is the same as saying times. Or plus 50. Okay. 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 Skill power 2 is equal to skill power times 1.5. Poggies. Okay, Yuri, thanks for coming out, man. Okay, so yeah, that looks a bit better. I don't like that it's not like that. If the user has a mega launcher, then do this. Otherwise, it would just do this. Do I need an else here or no? Would else look better? Or does it not really matter? No else? Okay. Okay. I mean, this looks right. This looks right. So let's test it. Let's test it. Okay, let's put this over here. Don't question why Route 2 isn't pretty yet, okay? I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Okay, so I need 2 Pokemon. Yeah, I'm gonna need to give myself 2 Pokemon that both have Mega Launcher. Can I give myself a specific move? I know I can. I know I can. One second. Let me look at how we did it in the Hidden Grotto. Yeah, we're using Sapphires. We're using Sapphire's tile set here for this. Okay, this should be Pokemon, right? Not that. Okay, I'm gonna copy this and then go to Route 2 because this is just easy. So Pokemon equals IDs 820, levels, moves. So what is 618? Essentials code in PSDK? Wait, what do you mean? You guys don't use else? I'm pretty sure you guys use else. I've seen it in the code. I used it, I think, because I saw it somewhere else. Where is it? Yeah. I used it because I saw that you used it somewhere else. Was I not supposed to? Oh, the event that I copied in my code? Where did it, where? This should all be PSDK right here. Okay, don't care about any of that really. The one, oh, yeah. Shh, don't judge. Okay, add Pokemon. Can I just do add Pokemon? Like, or is that not gonna work? Because I know that if I did it like this, I could do, you know, call Battle Wild Pokemon 10, and that would give me like this Pokemon, and it'd be level 10. So can I do add specific Pokemon and then do Pokemon instead? Like this? Or no? I can. Okay, cool. Cool. But I also need the ability. I need one of these to have the right ability. No. No! I can't do it here. I'm trying to give myself this specific Pokemon that has these moves, because I know that you can do this like you just did, like I had it for wild Pokemon. Pokemon equals stuff. Add Pokemon nil. Okay. And then I just need to do also the ability. Can I do it like I did with the like here? Can I do Mega Launcher, or do I have to find which one is Mega Launcher. What did text say? If you like math, look up Houdini. I love that program. Gotta sleep now. Good night. All right, Tech. GN. Imagine sleeping. He is like 7 hours ahead of us or some shit. What's good, Jake? I have to find it. Okay, this no big. It's no big deal. It's no big deal. Didn't you wait? Didn't you send it to me in here or no? Let's see. How do I check it? You said, oh, okay, after you use Ruby host. Okay, cool. Fun. Very fun. Wrong one. Let's open the texts. Okay. Now we need to look for ability names, and we have to find the one that says Mega Launcher. Mega Launcher. Did I just pass? No. Okay. You can use this ability find using symbol Mega Launcher. I can use that in command. I might do that because there's like 200 of these. And this seems very inefficient. Game data abilities find using symbol Mega Launcher. Don't do it from the text. The texts are wrong? Oh, wait, what? How else would I do it then from Ruby host? Okay, let me open up Umbra. Use the Pokemon editor. Oh, you're a fucking 5-head, dude. You are actually a 5-head. Wait, that sounds efficient. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. Because won't it also tell me the ability here if I did Mega Launcher? So it's one. What the fuck is this? 177. Okay. That was a lot more efficient. 177. Ability 177. Okay, cool. And then the other one doesn't really need it, but they do need the move. So let's get rid of ability. Okay, let's see if this now works properly. I should probably make the opponent level 100 actually. Or I guess I don't need to be 100. They could just be 32. 32 will still work because we're such a low level. They should live it. Tech's an hour ahead of you. Wait, what time did Tech say it was? Oh, that's farther than I wanted to be. Let's see, route 2. Here we go. Yuri, fix the crash. Or it will make me KO. Ooh, wait, yeah, true. Okay, fine. Fine. We'll fix it. I forgot they're gonna be faster than me. I'll be 28 then. I kind of want it to live so I can see the damage difference. Make sure it's working properly. It's in the plan. Okay. Fucking hell, man. I need to stop being so rushy. Okay. Here we go. Route 2. Sapphire's beautiful sprites here. What am I doing? Wait. Yeah, it's him. Okay, we're going to save in front of it. And I just realized I'm going to have to switch Pokemon as well. Scorch, my man. Wait, why are you so floaty? You're not supposed to be up there. Okay, so we have our 2 cute snoots here. What is it missing here? It's missing... Oh, the Mega... I don't care about that. Okay, do you have Mega Launcher? You do. My man. He's got Mega Launcher! This game won't be free. What do you mean? Yeah, it will. It's 100% free. Okay. Let's see. Cute Snoot. Oh, you're What? Why? Why the fuck did you do so much damage? Hello? Alright, you're going down. Also, did I not give you like any type of moves yet? Is that what just happened? Moveset editor. Oh yeah, I did not. Okay, I'm gonna give him at least I'll give him. What do I give him? I'll give him recover. There we go. Add. Okay, he gets recover instantly. Just for this. Just for this. Okay. Are there shinies in number? Yes, there's definitely. What's good, Victor? How you doing, man? Okay, let's try this again. Is that an axolotl? It's cute? Yeah, it is. He's not so cute, though. His face is actually really ugly. If you look him up on the wiki, he's kind of ugly. Okay, go for a cute snoot. Shouldn't there be like a ball animation that happens there? Okay, let's see how this looks. Why did it do it twice? What? Did I code it wrong? Use skill message twice? Hello? Where do I tell it to do it twice? Is it because of this? I called it S basic, did I? No, it's a Ruby. It should be doing this. Unless, am I missing it somewhere in here? So remove the S beg step in S origin pulse. This. No, Yuri's the person who made PSDK. Yuri's the person who made this, basically. Just delete this entirely. Okay, cool. Yeah, I noticed Hex didn't have it, so let's try it again. It looks like C. It's not. It's Ruby. I believe it's Ruby 2.5.7, but I could be very wrong. Okay, let's try this again. Wrong button. Okay, let's do this again. Origin pulse. Oh, we fucked it. Oh, he's a fire type. I'm a Papega. Okay, let's fix that. Let's not make a fire type. Let's do... God, imagine being so... Wait, he can be level 100. All he has is recover. All he has is recover. So we're good. We're good. No, they're not final. The whole entire battle system has to be reworked. Like, nothing about the battle is, like, done. Okay. Go for it. Okay, cool. Use recover. Origin pulse. Let's see how much it does. So it did 20, right? We should have exactly the same cute snoot here. We double check on this. Okay, so he's got 30 special attack and we have 27. I have to give the same. How can I be so stupid? Okay. Nature. Don't forget the nature. Doesn't really matter what the nature is, but we just can't forget it. They have to have the same one. So I'll do Hardy. Does that work? Can I do it like that? I'm just gonna assume I can. Watch, it has to be a number. Does it have to be a number? Everything else is a number, which makes me think this has to be too. Let me see. What is nature? Oh, yeah, nope, that's not it. Okay. Set it to 0? Okay. How come we can't use, like, string there? Is that the right term? You cannot find nat- Yeah, I know. I know. Well, you could, right? You could do it in the text, technically. Or is it not going to be in order? Oh my god. I need to just move her into Route 2. Was expecting... Okay. What the fuck did I do wrong? Your first command is corrupted? GG, game broke. Do 31. Oh. Truthium. Okay, there we go. How did I delete that? When did I delete that? When did I delete that? Close bracket. Okay, cool. Now we're good. Now we can finally actually see if this works. How it's supposed to. There's a double check. They're the same exact special attack. You can see the different gender though. Look at the cuties. Look at the leg difference. I think they're like one of the only Pokemon we have that has a gender difference. Sorry. Okay, moving on. Let's start off with the Mega Launcher one. Origin Pulse. Okay, this is gonna do, as you see, it did 25 damage if we have Origin Pulse. Now, if we use one that doesn't have Origin Pulse, it should do a lot less damage. Somewhere like 17 or 18, right? 24. Why did it do the same thing? You don't tell me you can't have Origin Pulse. You can't both have Origin Pulse. So what did I do wrong? Check the colored text. In here? Or in the actual game? I love Pokemon. Wait, it critted? No way. Did it fucking crit? Did it actually crit? I'm deleting that save. I'm so tired of that happening. Okay. Saves. Goodbye. It critted. Wow. Okay. Wait, Yuri, if you delete the first save, it doesn't check the other ones? Weird. God, I have so much shit in here. Don't judge me. Do not judge me. I know I need to clean it. Okay. Date modified. Okay. Just pay attention then. I mean, I could just change the number to 1, but I'm too lazy. I cannot believe we actually critted. And I also can't tell if Waywick's being serious. The color text on the console gives you a lot of info about the day. Yeah, I know. I guess I wasn't looking to see if it was. I wasn't looking to see if it was a crit. So this is the one that has Origin Pulse or Mega Launcher. So it does 24 damage. This one does not have it. Please don't get a crit. Don't get another crit. Super effective. Okay, it did 14. We're good. It was good. It works. It works. It only took us 35 minutes to actually make sure it works, even though it was technically working before. Wait, what the fuck? Why is task force level 100? It's just for testing. Okay, I'm gonna move this over into another folder. So this is pretty simple. This is pretty much just hex, but slightly modified. Okay, so we're gonna take this, put this over here. Okay. I'm saving it in Notepad. Okay, what's the next one? What is the next one? You remember making your own Pokemon in elementary school, and it was just a fireball with arms and legs and eyes. You're becoming the first one implementing moves in the old battle engine? No, wait. Are you telling me these won't transfer? I thought these were all supposed to be able to transfer. That's why I'm doing it. I thought when it came to custom moves, or ones that just weren't like done yet, it didn't really matter. Don't, Yuri, do not tell me this is for nothing. You can copy the code from there? Okay. I'm just gonna save them. I have them in this little notepad right here. I'm just gonna change this from the strength sap code to just new moves in general. So you'll be able to copy them over. So we have strength sap, and then we'll have origin pulse and whatever the next one I end up doing. Okay, so it's not for nothing. That's all that matters. As long as you can copy it over and it works, that's all that matters. Okay. I'm gonna put this back over here because nobody needs to see that. So the next one, what the fuck is this? Precipe blades? Precipe blades? I've not heard of this move. Whose move is this? Groudon's move, okay. This is just a basic move. There's nothing to this. It doesn't exist in the game data of X and Y. As a result, a Pokemon knowing this cannot be traded from Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire to X and Y. And if a Pokemon in the Pokemon Bank knows the move, it cannot be withdrawn into Pokemon X and Y. That's weird. Oh, okay, because Oris came out after X and Y. That makes sense. This is just a basic move, so this one doesn't need to be. This one doesn't need to be edited. Dragon Ascent. Okay, let's look at Dragon Ascent. This one inflicts damage and then lowers the user's defense stat and special defense stat by 1 each. That's pretty basic. Wait, will this do it by the user? Or is this going to be the person that I'm attacking, Yuri? What's good, Alvi? If I change these stat modifiers, is this going to be on the person I'm attacking? I think this one has to be coded. Fortunately, I learned how to do it, all because of Strength Sap. Pokemon Go Community Day tomorrow? Wait, what is it tomorrow? Isn't this Rayquaza's move? Yeah, it is. It's going to be the target? Okay, cool. So then I won't mess with this. So, okay, we'll do, we will do Dragon Ascent then. Dragon Ascent. Okay. Boom, boom. What is this? What is this? You can change that in the method used in Battle Engine. Okay, so wait, do I not need to code this then? If this is just going to be something that you can change in the update? Are you saying I can do it now? Self status. Okay, I got it. Okay, so I don't need to do this then. I see it. Okay, so then I don't need to do this. This is, well, I'm not going to erase it because we'll just use a different move. Okay, so this one is just done. Okay, what's the next one? Hyperspace Fury. This one looks like it's already done as well. I'm just going to look at it just to see what it does. I don't know. I haven't even heard of half of these fucking moves. Inflicts damage and then lowers the user's defense stat by 1. It bypasses accuracy checks to always hit unless a target is the semi-invulnerable state, like using dig or fly. It will also hit the target even if it is protected by... Okay, so I think this is fine. I don't think I have to change anything there. Tomorrow's a shiny Rhyhorn with Rock Wrecker when it evolves. Nice. I don't know if I'm gonna do it because I just don't care. I haven't really played Pokemon Go in so long. Okay, whose move is this? Marshadow? What the fuck is Breakneck? Is this a Z move? I don't want to do anything for Z moves. I don't care about Z moves. Its power and whether it is a special or physical move depends on the move that it's based on. Whatever. It's unaffected by pixelate refrigerated. Blah 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 blah. Is used during weather. Okay, I'm not doing this one. I don't want to do any of the Z moves. What is this? Yuri, what is this? Dummy data. Rhyhorn's the one that we voted for? Whack. We should have voted for something else. You mainly get the shinies and then you just transfer them to home. See, I'm not even worried about that right now. Another Z move. Okay, so all the Z moves have dummy data. When are we done with Z moves? Yeah, it's another Z move. Another one. Another one. Another one. There's some stuff remaining from the Game Freak data. Okay, when am I done with Z moves? What are we in right now? 643. This one. Okay. Now what the fuck is this? No, it's still a Z move. Okay, this is new. This is new. So what is Shore Up? This is not a Z move. Who is gonna implement Z moves? Good God, I hate them so much. I hope nobody implements them in their game. Nobody. This isn't a Z move though. Shore Up is it's a regular move. But I say it's unique to Sandygast and Polisand. Restores the user's current HP based on the weather in the battle. Outside of a sandstorm, it will restore half of its total health, and during a sandstorm, it'll restore 2/3 of its total health. So that's not too bad. That sounds really easy. Okay, so we're gonna do this one. How are there 15 people watching but only 5 participate? I mean, for me it only says 11. For me it says 11. I don't know what this is, like the whole entire BE model thing. I'm just gonna keep doing it because you guys did it. Okay, I like to add a little description of what it does. So let's put this thing back up here. Okay, so user regains up to half of its max HP or 2/3 of max HP if in a sandstorm. Okay. I like having the little description. Yeah, everyone's just vibing, man. You know, you may not like... Look. I don't like Z moves, but I think Shore Up is kind of not horrible. It's worth adding. Oh, you're talking about the E thing. Sorry, you're talking about the E thing. Okay, so we have Shore Up here. This is a... I always need to do this, right? So I just need to get used to this. Launcher, target, skill, message, push equals true, right? This is always going to be the very first line, right? So then we need to do if sandstorm heal 2/3 max HP. So if... Have you done Hurricane? Is Hurricane like... Is that already coded in? No, I don't think it's coded in correctly. What about thunder? No, just thunder. Just a status. So this one's not coded in correctly either then. What is one that would have its weather already done? What's another weather move? Weather ball? Here we go. Okay, I can look at this then. I'll look at this. Okay, this one's in skill 3. So basically, oh, there we go. This is all I need. If this, then do the 2/3, otherwise do half. Pog you, that seems easy enough. That seems easy enough. Okay, I gotta look at my strength sap. How did I do the HP up? Like this? HP equals HP times no HP equals max HP. No, HP. wait. Okay, I gotta stop being fucking Papaga and actually use my brain. I hate math. I hate math so much. HP equals launcher max HP times 2/3. Does that work? Else, no, you said don't use else, right? I feel like I need to use else here. HP equals launcher max HP times 1/2, and then end, right? Do I need to do this? Do I need to use the message here? Yeah, I don't know what this does. I just did it because I know that it has to be there. Just chilling while BJ and Yuri do their thing. Yeah, I'm actually really glad that Yuri's like, yes, I'm still watching. Don't stop my music. I'm actually really glad that Yuri's here. This is the one that gives you the HP? Okay, cool. Cool. So I'm just going to copy this. I don't think I want the end there, right? No, I do want the end there. So it stops this if statement. Don't forget the S beg step. So because, okay, so wait. What does this technically actually do? What does this actually do, the S beg step? Is that only used for status moves? Or is it only used if you gain health? I don't really know what it does. This one's dude, this is such a bop. This one is such a bop. Did I not? I didn't use it here though. Whatever. Okay, so this will say that you gain the health, and then, oh wait, are you talking about this? Are you talking about this one instead of the return false one? Or do I need both? I think I need both, right? If I'm using the S beg step, I would need both. I think. God, I hope so. Okay, put that one in, and then, wait, no, I don't think I need this one because it can never be false, right? I'm still learning. Don't judge me, guys. Okay, I don't need this one. Okay. So this will just give the message and then another end, right? Or I need to return true. return true, and then end. Okay. What's good, Taco? I think we're good. Is this right? I don't know if this is actually right. If no sandstorm, heal half max HP. This is the message that I don't even know. I'm not even. You know what? No, actually, yeah, I do wanna know what this does. And I think I just asked. Is this the one that you said that it basically just says that you used the move? Message that says Pokemon used move. I need the documentation for myself mostly, or if anyone ever ends up like me and wants to look at it and kind of understand it. What's happening on the stream? Making a game? Yeah, today we're I'm just kind of trying to learn how to make moves in PSDK, and Yuri's here, which is really, really useful for me because I'm making a lot of errors that I would have to end up checking constantly. He's saving me a lot of time. Call you on Discord? Okay. Let's see. Let me turn this down even more. What's up, Yuri? Hey.
What's? Yeah, I hear you.
What's up, man?
Yeah, it's fine. Let's just cut that and switch Discord to my earphone. Yeah, so then I will be able to answer you quicker because there's a lag on YouTube. It's insane.
I have it on like on ultra low, but sometimes it's still like seconds late.
Yeah. Okay.
So, right. Should I share my screen too? Would that help you?
If you want.
So then you don't have to worry about the delay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I will do this screen. Whoops, wrong one. Here, change windows to this one. Okay. So,
great.
You were saying that this one, it just says that you use the move, right?
No, this one says that you get
that you gain
HP.
Okay, so this is the message that
HP.
says the Pokemon gained HP.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the function in the first line that says you use the move.
Oh, this one does?
Yes. You can check the code inside it to know what it does exactly, because it does more than checking you use the move.
Yeah.
It also do precision check and stuff like that.
Okay. So, okay. Let me just test this move now, because I mean everything looks good, right? Like this looks right.
You forgot a question mark.
Here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, because it's a test.
Okay, so let's give the Pokemon what move is this? Shore up is 659. So okay, you were saying that you can move this over to the new one, right?
Yeah,
to the new battle
I can
engine.
Move it. I just need to adjust some line of code and it will work.
Okay. Okay, cool.
But yeah.
So you won't have to change too much.
Yes.
Okay. I'm just glad I'm actually being useful for once, dude, because I'm always asking for you to like do shit, and now I can actually like do it.
Do shit.
Yeah. I'm slowly learning, and I think like this is honestly when I did this with Essentials, like this is how I learned how to do anything in Essentials when it came to the coding. Like I started off with the moves, and then I was able to kind of like look at abilities, and then it just kind of like snowballed from there. So
yeah, but abilities is a pure nightmare.
Yeah.
You cannot do that. Yeah.
No. I just realized I forgot to give myself the sandstorm for the other test.
Yeah, you can trigger the weather by setting it.
I could do it in the command, can I?
Yes. I think
I'm so not used to that.
yeah, it's something like $env.
Okay. Oh, so it's basically the same as like how it looks in the code, like this.
Not exactly, but I don't know the method right now. I will check. But
Okay.
I'm playing at the meantime.
You're playing
Um,
Splatoon.
Yes.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay. Sorry.
No worries. I gave myself Sandstorm, but it will be nice
Okay,
to know
it's
for the
apply
future.
weather. Okay, you gave your say something. Okay, that works. Otherwise, that would have been $unv
I'm stupid.
dot apply weather,
Can
and
I?
the parameter would have been 3.
Okay, cool. So it still shows you how much you gained, even if you like can't actually gain anything.
If you shouldn't be gaining anything, then you
Wait.
make the move fail.
Wait. Wait. What did I do wrong? Why did he take damage from short? Never mind. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I forgot to change it here. So this should be S short up. Okay. Save.
Okay.
Yeah, I was like, what did I do wrong? I know I didn't tell it to do any damage, but and the
Yeah,
power
that's
should
not
be
possible.
0. Power should be 0. With accuracy, how do I make it to where it can never miss?
I think it's 0.
Okay. So I have to do that for every status move? So it should look like something like this, right? Let me see. So shore up, 0 power, 10 pp. Okay. Save. Oh wait, this is affected by Snatch. How is this affected by Snatch? What does Snatch do?
Snatch is taking the effect, but that will not work there. That's something like effect that gives you more attack, more defense. Snatch can stall the effect.
Okay. Because Bubblepedia is telling me that Shore Up is affected by Snatch, but nothing else.
Okay, so make it affected by Snatch.
Okay, so just do that, right? Just move characteristic?
Yeah, that's sufficient.
Okay. Okay, so now let's try this again.
Yeah.
So you were saying that if I delete my first save that I can corrupt my other ones? Or no?
No, you should. If you want to make PSDK load all the save after the first one, the save needs to be corrupted. Because if the save doesn't exist, PSDK will not try to load the other save. It will assume that you have no other saves.
Okay. So the move failed, of course. Can I make myself take damage in the command? Like, can I just set my health?
Yes, you can.
Wait. Okay. Well, I gained 35, so I guess this works for testing, but I do need to change it to where if I'm already at max, it doesn't work. But for testing, this is good.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Does the other move checks that?
It did. Wait, for Sandstorm, it said it twice.
Huh. Shit.
Okay, so short up. I should gain 106 now. Is 106... Is that... That's way more than 2/3 of my max HP. I don't even have 106 health.
There's an error.
That doesn't make sense. Okay.
Okay.
So, is it not max HP? It should just be... HP? Because I thought HP was like your current stat, what it's at.
Yeah, it's max HP. You did 2 divided by 3. No, it's correct. The formula is correct.
Maybe I have to... like that? To make sure that it doesn't do...
No. This one will
It'll break it?
0.
Okay.
Yeah. This has this is 0 if you do it like this.
Okay.
Launcher.
What
I
language?
think the formula is correct.
Okay. So Tago, this is Ruby, just so you know.
Yeah, that's Ruby. You can maybe print the value, so we can check if there is no problem.
How would I do that?
You write the word print, and then the value you want to print. So for example,
HP?
Yeah, or launcher.max HP.
Okay, so we're trying to see what the max HP would be.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's restart this. Okay. Yeah, that's weird. It's very weird.
Yeah, that's really weird.
Because it wasn't... I know that like what I had set up for Strength Sap wasn't doing something fucky like that. Because like I was like... Because I have it, you know, Strength Sap uses the target's attack stat. So like I had to make the new max attack thing for that.
Oh. Okay.
You short up.
That's why you made the code.
Yeah, yeah. So, did I do something wrong because it didn't tell me what my max HP is? Unless it does here, 71 perimeter.
So yeah, that's it.
Okay,
71.
so it's right then.
It's correct. You have half of 71.
Okay, so that looks correct. Right. So when I do Sandstorm is just when it doesn't do it right.
Yeah, check with the Sandstorm.
Oh, I crashed it somehow.
Yeah, you selected something in the console. You need to unselect.
Unselect, yeah. Okay. Let's try this again.
Oh, it's so fucking slow.
Things not going well in Splatoon?
Yeah, really wrong. I have the worst weapon.
Okay, let's see.
I will change. Okay.
I
think I will stop the stream on YouTube because it's taking a lot of bandwidth. Okay, it's not available.
So it did 71, which is good. But did the stream die?
I think it died.
Oh no! No, it says it's up for me.
Okay, so it died on my side.
Weird. Very weird.
Change. So what's the value you got? 71, 35?
Yeah, that was for the regular one, and then if we do short up with Sandstorm, it looks like it still says 71 is my max HP, but I got
47. It's correct.
Okay. So what is this? The 104 thing? Oh, that's him. That's Task Force. I just read it wrong. Okay.
Yeah, it's recover. Move.
I'm smooth brain. Ignore some shit. Okay, so now we just need to make to where if HP equals max HP, not to do this, right?
Yeah, to fail.
And to return false,
did
right?
We check that once in PSDK? I think we never tried that.
Well, that's perfect because now I can learn.
Okay.
Okay, so if HP is equal to launcher max HP?
No, launcher.hp equals launcher.max HP.
The launcher. Yeah, so they said no, it didn't die, it's still up. Okay, cool. Okay, so let's tab all this in and then do another else and then wait. If launcher, this should be okay, I did this wrong. If launcher doesn't equal, else do this and then return false and say the move failed right here.
Yeah, MSG fail.
Yeah, I can't remember it. So it's like this. Okay, now this should work. Then this should be correct.
It should be correct.
I don't really
check the code, but
nope, it is not correct. What did I do wrong? Did I forget an end?
Sure.
Yeah, I did. I think so. Yeah, because I forgot we added a new if statement. So I forgot to add another end. I don't really know this language specifically, but if you need any help with programming logic, I'm a computer science student, so I might be able to help for fucking jeez, I cannot read. Logical functions. All right. I mean, I have Yuri here for now, so I should be good.
Yeah.
He did write this
Yeah.
whole entire engine. Or most of it, most of it.
Most of it, yet. Yes. Ah,
How much would you say that you've written? Like 95% of it?
yeah, roughly.
But it failed. Is there a way to make it to where it doesn't do the animation if it fails?
It does. Oh,
Yeah, it does do an animation.
yes, it does do an animation because the game says to do it.
Okay, so that's not something that I can do on my... Well, it's not something that I'm doing on my end.
Yes, you should check the.
What's good,
You should
PJ?
check what code says that the move is being used, and then you don't
This
use.
one?
Yeah, but inside it.
So like the launcher target skill message push thing? Or this?
No, the internal of SBEG step.
Okay, so I have to look where this is defined?
Yes.
Okay, let me just copy and paste this first. Because I don't want to... I just want to have everything in one spot.
save it.
So... move that to my notepad. And then... Okay, save that. Okay. So now we need to look for... this.
Yes.
So...
Okay.
Okay, not that one.
Yeah, that's the first one.
Yeah, this one's the deprecated one though, right? So we don't do that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, as you can tell, I didn't delete the ones like you told me to.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, so here we go.
So the first thing is saying that you use the skill. That's what you want.
This?
Yes, this. This whole line.
Okay.
Okay.
So...
And then go back to your function with this in the clipboard.
Okay, so copy and then go back here.
Yeah. You see where you put MSG fail?
Yeah, right here.
Put no. No,
No?
not right there. Yeah, there. Put what you had in the line before. Yes.
Okay. So like this.
And yes, and then you the first line of this method, copy it, and then cut it even.
This one?
Yeah. Yes, and put it under the if launcher.php.
Okay, okay. So there.
And then it should be fine.
Okay,
It should work properly.
let's test that. Because then I need to change strength zap as well. Because I didn't set it up like that for strength zap.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Okay, so let's see. Let's test. Okay, wrong mon, switch, cute snoot.
Oh god.
See, it does it for all of the mons though.
What?
It does it for every move. Like even recover, if it fails, you still see the recover animation.
Yes, because it's not coded.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, it still did the animation. It said it failed, but it did the animation. For
Even
shore
in this
up.
move?
Yeah, see?
Shit. Okay.
When Yuri says shit, it's like, you know, something's wrong. So...
Yeah, but so you did use skill MG.
Is it this one? Like, should I get rid of that? Or no?
No, you shouldn't. But you can search about a definition of this so I can see the code.
Okay. Yeah. This one?
No, the use skill MSG. You copy the use skill MSG.
Okay. You want me to copy this, you said?
Yeah, without the colon and the comma.
I feel like I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Yeah. So you see the text use skill MSG.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just copy use skill MSG.
Okay, so copy.
With yes, and then you search for def use skill.
Oh, okay, okay.
MSG.
Yeah, def. Okay. Not that one. So in this one.
Yeah, so what does it do? Yeah, it runs the animation anyway. Okay, so that's bad. Fuck. What should
Do we have a like a method for just if a mail message fails, like we could use that as a check? Or no?
I think we can check, but it's hard.
Okay.
What can we do? Oh, there is a yeah, but the ignore is not what we want. Yeah, there is a fix to do, but it's too complicated to explain this with voice.
I will let you do that then. I will just leave this how it is, or no?
Yeah, you can leave it like this.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we will make a new method, or maybe no, we will manage this issue later.
Okay.
We should make a card, an issue card about that, and fix it later.
Okay. So I'm just gonna save the new one and then move on to a new move.
Yes.
Okay. So the next one that we need, because this does work, is first impression. What does that do? That's the what the fuck is its name? The Wimpod's move, or when it evolves, whatever that is.
I don't know the names of the Pokemon in English.
Oh yeah, I forget that they I forget that
Yeah,
they actually
we have,
different.
Names in French.
Yeah. Okay, so this one does, it has a priority of 2.
Okay.
First impression inflicts damage. It has a priority of 2, and if it is used before other increased priority moves, always fails if it's used after the first turn. So basically, if it's not the first turn, it will fail.
Oh, that's.
It's like fake out. Do you have fake out already done?
I don't know. Maybe.
Let me check. You do. So we can just borrow that, and we're good.
Yeah, that should work.
Okay, so let's look at fake out.
Oh,
Glissapod
shit.
also ignored. Sorry, man. I'm not really looking at the chat that much right now. I just checked in. Don't worry. What's good? It's your boy, the man, the myth, the legend. What's good, Noah? You're French too. Ah, wait. Do you work on? Are you in the workshop Discord? Okay, let's just copy this and look at it over here. So this one is first impression. So as first impression. Okay. So you said the E thing is literally for nothing? Like it's just there?
Good. What do? Yeah, this thing is useless.
Okay. It's just for like just looks.
No, that was something I wanted to do like 6 years ago, but
Wait, how long have you been working on PSDK?
Since 2014.
Really?
Yeah.
Were you working on the script like PSP first?
Yes.
Okay. So this is like from PSP basically?
No.
Oh.
No, the battle engine of PSDK is totally new.
Okay. It's used before other increased priority moves. So what does fake out have as priority out of curiosity? Is it just it's a 3? So would it go before fake out?
Yeah.
I'm so confused.
No, fake out will go before.
Yeah, that's what I thought. But it says it's used even before other increased. Okay, it just means +1s. Or does it also mean if another move is +2, it would go first? I feel like that's what it means. That if there was another move that had +2, it would go first.
No, I think what it means is that if you use this move and another move triggers before, then this will do nothing. If I understood correctly what they said in the wiki.
Okay. Okay. I feel like we need to do testing on that to make sure.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
usually when we don't know, we try with the official games.
first impression fails if used after first turn. Okay. Okay. Boom, boom. So def as first impression. This one needs launcher, target, message, push. Like this is pretty much used every time. The like this first line, the launcher, target, skill, message, push thing.
Yeah, because that's the
It
model.
lets you use like those in the. Is it called a function or is it a method?
It's a method.
Okay, so if you have like the launcher, target, skill, message, push thing, it allows you to use those in the method, right? Is that what this does?
Yes.
Okay. Just trying to like understand it as I go.
No problem.
Okay,
Basically,
so message.
the battle engine will call this method if you use the move that says you have to call this method, and it will send the parameters. So launcher, target, skill, and other stuff.
Okay, so if the user's HP isn't max, do this, and then if user HP is max, do this. Okay. Okay, so message that says that they used it is return false unless SBAG step. Okay, and then the priority thing is just done by Ruby host. I don't have to worry about that. Right?
Yeah, somehow.
Okay.
Shit.
Okay.
So
okay.
yeah, the priority is done way before the method is called.
Okay. So let me just look at fake out again. So fake out, I meant to copy and paste this and I don't think I did. So first impression. Okay. So let me just do this. Okay. So if launcher battle, okay, so yeah, we already have this set, which is really convenient.
What?
The number of turns thing.
We have something like that, but
yeah, I mean you have it for fake out. So that's all we need.
Yes, you can check on fake out, but I'm not sure if fake out has the same effect.
Well, I think they do. Just it doesn't flinch.
Okay.
So what does S status launcher do? Oh, that's for because they flinch, right?
Yeah, S status is calling the procedure of a move that has statue implications. So basically, it's called for. How do we call those moves in English? I don't know. For the move that paralyze and stuff like that.
Yeah. Okay. Like Thunder Wave and all of those things. 1 second.
Okay.
Back. Let's see. So you said
Status is used for the skills that inflict status.
yeah.
Only.
Okay. So like it'll allow you to do like this stuff, which we don't need.
Yes.
Because we don't flinch.
Yes.
So I don't need this.
You need S basic, I guess.
I need the what?
S basic.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Instead of S status.
So where is that? It would be in a just a regular like attacking move.
Yeah.
Or impulse, right?
here.
Yeah, S
in
yeah. Okay. I probably shouldn't be like, copying and pasting so much because it's not gonna help me learn, but at least it's something.
Well, the modifying the moves in PSDK is basically copy pasting. You cannot do something else. Once a lot of moves has been implemented, you just copy paste. You just need to find the reference.
Wait, okay, so this would be return true like this, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is pretty much done. I just have to test it. This is so much easier than I thought it would be.
Yeah, but shouldn't you display that it failed? You should display that it failed.
Yes. And then also have the not work if
no, because you already called the SBEG step.
Yeah, okay.
Can you check oh no, remove the SBEG step.
Really?
Yeah, remove the SBEG step. It's not useful because it's already inside the SBasic.
Okay. So like this.
Check fake out how it does.
Let me see fake out. So here we have S fake out. Yeah, no, you're good on there.
Okay.
I just didn't look at that part for fake out.
Okay. Yeah, why not?
But here we have the SBEG step.
Yeah, because I wanted to show the message, but I think the thing that is wrongly done is the implementation of the animation.
Wait, how come this one says underscore MP, but the other ones say
it's a shortened version of message text push.
I should be using that then?
You can use that
instead of message stack push?
Yeah, that's faster to write, but when you do copy paste,
okay. I guess which does it matter? Like, is one faster than the other?
No, it doesn't matter. That's just aliases.
Then I don't care too much. So it gives the fail message if message put. Okay, so now we're good. Return true if it hits and return false if it doesn't, right?
Yeah.
So now this looks good. Okay, let me get rid of the fake out again because we don't need two of those. Okay, and then we'll go into first impression. This time I need to actually not just do as basic. Do first impression. Yeah. And then I have to check to make sure that the moves and everything. So is Ruby, it's like the simple version of C, is that C sharp? If it's just the C pound sign?
Yeah, we can say that, even if that's not really true.
Okay, so, or is it like the cousin of Python? I don't know.
Yeah, that's the cousin of Python.
Is it?
Somehow.
Somehow, okay.
Yeah, because that's not exactly it, but yeah.
Just one way to describe it.
Yeah, Ruby is a mix of several languages. Fuck.
Okay. Is Ruby like, is it good? Is it like a good thing to learn? Or is it commonly used or no?
It's not commonly used, but it's a good thing to learn.
Because I feel like most games are made in C# or C++, I don't remember. Like Stardew, for example. I think that one's made in, I think Stardew Valley is like made in C#.
Yeah, maybe. The games that are made under Unity is using C#, and the game made under Unreal Engine are made in C++.
Okay. Why can I not click contact? Is it because it's a... This seems to be special, right? No.
No, because that was a mistake.
Okay, so yeah, how come I can't click contact for this?
You should use direct, no?
Oh, is it the same thing?
Yes, it's the same thing.
Okay. Changing the method used causes everything to like reset, which is weird.
What?
Like if I change this, it'll change like the power, the PP, the priority. If I change the method used, I mean it's not a big deal because we're getting the new editor anyways.
Yeah, totally. But that's weird. That's a weird bug.
Yeah. Okay, so it's affected by protect, mirror move, and King's Rock. Okay, save. Doesn't inflict any status. None of that. Doesn't change anything. Okay, so let's test to see if this works.
Okay.
660. Okay, apply. Okay, and let's see if this works. So it's more like Python then. It's pretty easy to learn. Yeah, I mean, so far it looks harder than it is, I think. Like for me, Python was really, really easy. I can see how they're kind of similar. I just assume all coding languages are similar though.
Yeah,
like the way you write them. Yeah, the way that you write them is basically like they all share so many different things. Like it's very little what changes. Like, you know, in Python you'd use print, but then in like Java you use like print system out, I think, or something.
Yeah.
Oh.
System.println. Oh, the game crashed.
Undefined method battle.
Pokémon. Oh, you forgot the effect that.
No.
No, not there in the code. You wrote launcher.battle.effect. It's not dot effect, it's underscore effect.
Oh.
Yeah, it will work better.
Is it?
Yeah, it is. It is.
Oh, yeah. Maybe I was like covering it or something, and it looked like a dot.
Yeah.
I don't know. First impression. Okay. So now we should be good. Let's try this again. Dude, how do you like? Is it a nice feeling that these new Winter Jam projects are finally using like PSDK over Essentials? No shade, but I just prefer PSDK so much more. My only issue with it is obviously the battle system itself. It just doesn't look as good as Essentials, but literally everything else about PSDK is like infinitely better than Essentials.
Yeah, totally. But the thing with PSDK is that we need task force to create the new battle engine.
Yeah. Okay, that did dog shit damage, but it's okay. It at least worked. Let's see. How much damage did it do? 12. Okay. I mean, I'm just level 28, fighting a 100, so I guess that makes sense. Let's try it again. It worked. No, it failed. Okay, good. It looked like it worked because it did the animation, but it didn't. So we're good. Another one.
Yeah, that's just oh shit. Fuck. That was just a little bug.
Another one done. Okay.
Great.
That's now 3 done in the stream. Let's do more. What's the next one? Baneful Bunker. Is this is Toxapex? Is that what it's called? Let me see. Baneful Bunker. Yeah, it is.
Shit.
What does this one do?
No clue. In addition to protecting the user from attack, this move also poison. Oh god.
That's not bad. That's not bad. Because it's basically protect, but then it uses the status thing, which you just do here.
The problem is that you have to poison the one that hits you. No?
Yeah. So
it's really hard. Like
it's only if they hit you, right? So doing it like this would make it to where it always poisons them, even if they don't hit you.
Yeah, that's a crazy effect.
And then we also have to check to see if they're steel or poison types or have immunity, comatose, or another status condition already to make it not.
Yeah, but the checking of poison type is
already done.
Is done by the.
What about steel type?
Yeah,
Because
it's done by.
steel can only be poisoned if you have corrosion.
Oh god. Well, it's not done.
Well, you know what? To be fair, that was added in Gen 7, and PSDK is natively only up to Gen 6. So
Yes.
we'll just say that's why it's not coded like that.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
so
But
I'll have to look
the
into that.
status stuff will be fixed in the Alpha 25.
Mm. Should I skip Baneful Bunker for now then?
Yeah, you should skip this one because it's too hard.
Okay.
Give it the protect effect, and we will see later for the poison.
Okay. So just do S protect.
Yes, I think it's something like that.
Okay. That doesn't sound very confident, so I'm gonna look. Okay, yeah, that's right. Okay. Next one is Spirit Shackle. This one sounds familiar.
The user attack voicemail.
Do you have these all open somewhere? How are you looking it up so quickly?
It's written in the description.
this, yeah. Okay. Did you just pull this from Bulbapedia?
No, absolutely not. It's from the official data.
Okay.
That's what you have in the game when you look at the move.
Okay. Spirit Shackle is Decidueye's move. It will prevent the foe from fleeing or switching out, which that I'm sure is already coded in.
Yeah, that's like.
But Wimp Out, Emergency Exit, Red Card, Shed Shell, and Eject button can all bypass this. That's fine. That's fine. Those are all items except for Wimp Out and Emergency Exit. Do I have to do anything for the items?
No.
When writing the code, those are like done by themselves.
Yeah, because you will apply a specific effect that already checked those items.
Okay, so I just have to do a check for the abilities.
Yeah.
Okay, so would I use the this symbol, like these two lines for ore, like if it has Wimp Out or Emergency Exit, or is that not how it's done in PSDK?
Yeah, that's how it's done.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure. I mean, I know that PSDK and Essentials both use Ruby, but I didn't know if that was different. So Spirit.
No, that's not different. That's
Shackle.
the same language.
Okay. Why do I keep doing this? I just want it to be consistent. I don't know. Even if it does nothing. Okay, so this move. Yeah, this move inflicts damage and prevents foes from fleeing or switching out unless they have Wimp Out, Emergency Exit, Red Card, or holding a Red Card, Shed Shell, or Eject button. Okay. So, are you eating something?
No. Sorry. That's something I do a lot, but that's bad.
Ah, bad habit.
Yeah.
Launcher target skill message push equals true.
The fuck.
Okay. So this one is I need to do an if, right? If target how did I do it for where is it? I've been deleting them out of here. I'm stupid. Oh no, origin pulse right here. Okay. If target ability DB symbol equals mega launcher. Okay. So all we need to do is change that to this, and then change this to Wimp Out. I want to double check, make sure you have Wimp Out in here. Okay, you do. And then I would also do or target ability DB symbol equals emergency exit. Like that, right?
Yeah, that's abilities.
Okay. Yeah. Because we're not checking for the moves, right? Or the items.
Yes. But inflict. Oh, you have to check. You have to check.
I do have to.
Yeah.
Okay. So how would
But,
I do for items?
That's item DB symbol.
So
and
target item DB symbol
Yes.
like this. Red card. Whoops.
Yeah, you can make a new line.
I can?
It's becoming a bit long. Yes,
Okay.
you can.
Like this? Or should it be indented?
It should be indented and at the same position of the first target.
Okay. So like that.
Yeah, there.
Target item. Can I spell? DB symbol equals. What else was it? Shed shell. Why would shed shell prevent that? What is shed? I thought shed shell did like a status. I think that you don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, so allows the user to switch out but not flee or teleport even if it is trapped. Oh, okay. So I had a very wrong idea of how that worked. What did I just open YouTube to for the first time in a while? Bro, Arizona, where have you been, dog? Where have you been? And then the eject button. I feel like eject button is like a newer item. I don't remember.
No, it's something from Gen 4.
Really? I'm
I
actually
think.
I'm playing through Gen 4 again right now. Eject button. Okay. Now this has to be indented. Does this have to be indented again?
Wait. What do you mean?
Like because I just finished the if statement.
It's it doesn't have to be indented again.
So it's
It
here?
has to be, yes, here.
Okay. And then
It looks weird, but that's like this.
yeah, it does look really weird. Okay, so we do as basic because it does do damage.
Oh, it's Generation 5. Eject
Oh.
button.
Okay, well I didn't play Generation 5. Bad game. Bad game.
Because they made a new Pokédex and you could not get Zubat in the caves.
Yeah, that made it a bad game.
I'm Zubat man.
Okay, so what is this like? What else would I be able to compare this to that has a trap effect?
Yes, and then you will not use S Magic.
I wouldn't use, but it does damage as well.
It does damage. Okay, so use that. No problem.
See, I'm learning, dude. I'm learning. What other moves trap though? Is it do we have anchor shot? Or scary face is a lower?
Yeah, but I think you need to put the S basic in conditions.
I thought it was. It's if the target. Oh no, this has to be outside. This is outside the condition.
Yeah,
because this is just for trapping.
Yeah, it's just for trapping. But if you want to apply the effect, you need to ensure that you make damages. So you put the S basic in a if. So if S basic.
Okay.
Okay, that's right, like this, and then you can write the effect inside it.
Oh. Okay. I see what you're saying.
Okay.
So like this.
Yes, totally.
Okay.
And then you need to find a move that does something similar.
Sand Tomb, Wrap, Whirlpool. One of those has to be done, right? Surely.
Yes.
Surely.
This effect is from Gen 2, so it's
we have bind. We have bind. So deprecated. Okay, def. There we go. So this one is
bind. The effect is bind.
It's literally where do I see that?
Last line.
Last line.
Of this method.
Oh, okay, I see this.
But you have to set the number of turn, otherwise it will be.
Yeah, I don't know how long Spirit Shackle lasts. It actually doesn't say. I think they're just trapped. They're just trapped. They can't leave at all.
Oh, so that's a different effect.
Okay. So we don't have this one then. Do we? Let's see what else. I don't know what else would trap someone permanently.
I don't.
Arena trap, but that's an ability. Never mind. Block, maybe. Mean look. Mean look, right? Those are really old moves.
Yes.
Can't flee. There we go.
Yeah.
So does this also mean that they can't switch?
Yeah, obviously.
Okay, so
What the
unless if target's ghost type, it would fail. Why?
Because
Are ghost types not supposed to be able to trap? Or be trapped, sorry?
Yes, that's how it's done. But
But it looks like Spirit Shackle.
but that's not the same. This is the move.
One second. Spirit Shackle.
Yeah, this is the move. This is not the effect. The effect is apply effect, apply can't fly, which is totally different.
Oh.
Yeah, this is the effect, and this is the move, which is different.
Okay. But okay, I see what you're saying. So I have to look for a different move?
No. You can just go back there. Last line. You
Last
see the last
line?
line?
This one?
Yeah. Copy this line that will apply the effect.
Okay. And then go
But
back here.
yeah.
So this. So if it did
Yes.
damage, then you're trapped, you can't flee, whatever.
Yeah,
And-
until the launcher leaves the battle.
Okay. And then otherwise it just does, but I don't want it to do damage twice. Oh, I can just do else.
That's fine.
Yeah, else. Here. Because then we just do S basic launcher.
Yes.
Okay. So basically if they have any of these abilities or these and it does damage, then they get trapped. Well, wait. I'm trying to think this through. So, I mean, they should still take damage even if they do have these abilities and these items. They just don't get trapped. So, if they have these, then it should do damage anyways. So that means they take damage, and then if they take damage, apply this. That doesn't make sense. Wait.
What does that say? From fleeing, switching?
Yeah, so what this does is basically it says if they have these abilities and these items, and then if they take damage,
then you have to switch the conditions. You do the if as basic, and then you do the if ability and stuff like that.
okay, so if S basic and like this.
No. You switch the conditions.
Okay, so if they yeah, I see what you're saying. So we put this one up here, and then all of these down here, right? And then this wouldn't happen. So this would just be blank.
No, you write unless instead of if, and then you can apply the effect.
So unless this, See, I've never used unless, so I'm trying to figure out what this would do. So this is saying if they take damage, or if damage.
If they take damage, and unless they have the item or the ability, you apply the effect.
Okay, so is this in the right area, or should this be indented?
It should be indented, because the unless is inside the if.
Okay, so...
And then you should indent correctly.
Yeah, I gotta
the
move
target.
this up to there?
Yes.
Okay.
And then you write 2 ends, and it's okay.
And then I write 2 ands?
Mm-hmm.
Where?
After MP.
Here?
You have to close your conditions. No,
Oh,
no, no,
end.
end.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
so end. Okay, and then I don't need this.
Yeah, you don't need this.
Okay, and then we'd return true. Well, I mean, it returns true
Yeah,
anyways. Because it does damage.
You don't always... Yeah, but you don't always care about that. It's more for the
If it fails.
method you will reuse.
Mm. But this move doesn't... Well, I mean, it can fail, but it doesn't need a thing for that.
No. It will never be recycled. So
Okay. So...
Don't forget to close the method, otherwise it will crash.
I need another end. Got
Yes.
it. Okay, so if... Basically, okay, so if... What does this do exactly? This says if it does damage?
Yeah, if it does anything, you can check the source code of SBasic to see what it does exactly.
Okay.
And
if they have these moves or abilities, it won't trap. And then this one will
apply the effect.
Trap if they don't, or if they don't have abilities and moves.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now to test, hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay, so S Spirit Shackle. Okay. Doesn't inflict a status. It does not make contact. Okay. It is affected by Protect, Mirror Move, and Magic or King's Rock. It does 80 power. How do I send you like Ruby host files, by the way? So like once I'm done with this, I could send it your way, or do you not want it?
Yeah, you need to send me the data, and I need to manage to merge that with PSDK.
Okay. I do have one move in here that's not an actual move. I have 2 moves, like these 2, that I was gonna add, but I haven't actually done anything. I'll just remove them before I send it to you.
Yeah, otherwise you can send me the list of the move you changed and give me the symbol to put, and then I will...
Okay. So now I need to give 662 to Pokemon. Okay. And now, how can I make the... Wait. How would I test... I guess the opponent would need this. And then I would try to switch.
Yes.
So now I need a separate one for when I'm trying to test it with a wild Pokemon. Okay, let me go back into the Hidden Grotto. Looked at this. Call Battle Wild Pokemon. Okay. And this should be nil. Wait, did I do something wrong? Okay. So this should be, when I do call Battle Wild, it should be nil, right?
No,
so
we
then
don't
it
care.
would it would use the level up here.
Yeah, but we don't care. You can put 10. I don't know how it will react if you put nil.
Okay, but if I put 10, would it put 28 still?
Yes, because you already generated the Pokemon. It will not change the Pokemon HP.
Okay, so I'm gonna take this, and then get rid of this. Now I just need this Pokemon to be actually a lower level, because I don't want them to kill me. And then, so this adds the Pokemon to me. Okay, and I need to change this one to have 662. Okay, it already has it. Okay, this should be good then. Let's see if this works. Wrong one.
Oh god.
I should just change the number, and then I don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, you should change the number.
Okay, let's see. Kitsu. Level 10. So it does. Did I change it to 10? Yeah, I did. Never mind. Okay, let's see if this works. I just realized I need to give him one move. I don't want to see him test every move. So this should only be 662, I think. Yeah, 662.
Yeah.
I don't want to see him use other moves. If I left it with only 662, it would struggle. Like it could use moves that it isn't here. Like if I had only one number in here, like this.
Yeah, it will not overwrite. Oh, that's not supposed to be done like this.
So you have to fill in 4 moves for it. Like you can't have it only know 1. God, what is this song? What the fuck is this? Next. Okay. Yeah, so like
Yeah,
I couldn't have it only know 1.
No, I'm not sure. Put a 4 and if it works, it works. That's
I know if I did it like this, I know this would work. Because that's
Yeah.
how I tested it
yeah.
yesterday.
I think if you only put 1, it will try to
It would
keep
struggle.
the original moves.
Oh.
If it struggles, that means there's a bug.
And I didn't start with the right one. I picked the right save, but I didn't pick the right mon to test on. Okay, route 2. Okay, go to the left. Okay. I've never been drunk, bro. What do you mean? Okay, so he's gonna use Spirit Shackle. So what is this number here? Is this like the chance of it using this move?
Which numbers?
Here it
Oh,
says
shit. Wait, the screen is shut down. Which number?
under Spirit Shackle. It says like 1.693, 1.62, 1.72.
Oh yes, that's
Like
the IE calculated numbers, and that's the rate it gave to the move.
Okay.
So basically, it will take the highest number.
I can't even click on my Pokemon, so I guess it works.
What?
Like if I try to press enter or select on like Pokemon,
Yeah.
it doesn't let you. It should technically let you, and you should be able to go to a Pokemon and try to switch, but then it should say like this Pokemon is trapped.
Yeah, but
It works at
currently-
least.
Yeah, it's the behavior currently because someone modified the code, and the game basically crashed when you enter the menu. So I made it not accessible, so it doesn't crash.
Okay.
It's easier
Okay.
like this.
Okay. So it still allows me to try and run, which I think is how it's supposed to work, but maybe it would say like you can't. See, I don't know if it should actually. That's something I need to test. Because if you're trapped, I think it wouldn't even let you like try to run and waste the turn.
Yeah, I think it should let you try to run.
Are you sure?
I'm not sure. We should test in the officials.
Yeah. Okay. I need to write that down actually, like what I should be
Yeah.
testing. So, what? I don't remember what the other thing was.
Me either.
Okay, so with Spirit Shackle, does it let you try to run? And then I don't remember whatever the other one was, so it must not be too important, I guess. But it works, which is great. So I'm just gonna copy and paste this one over. Well, I mean, I didn't test technically with all the abilities and everything, but I don't even think Emergency Exit or Wimp Out is coded. It traps me at least. So Let's just hope this works. Do you want me to try it with shed shell and the eject button and red card at least? I'll try it. I'll try it. Okay, so items. Wait, never mind, never mind. When giving an item, when I give a Pokemon and I want to give an item, can I just do it like I have to use a number, right?
Yes.
Okay, so red card is 542. And then I need the shed shell. 295.
What should I check?
Okay, and what else was it? Eject button. Okay. Feels good actually being somewhat productive.
Yeah.
Eject button is 547. I think those are the only 3 items that would allow you to escape. So let's test it.
Yeah, you don't have to test all of them, I think.
Well, I'm going to. I'm sure they all use the same function anyways, but I'm still gonna try it just to make sure. Cause Wimp Out and the other one, they're Gen 7 abilities, so they're not coded, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
They are not coded.
Okay, let's just test. Okay, no. Okay, so since I do have the item, it's allowing me to open it.
Mm-hmm.
Is it going to consume it if I use... Does shed shell get consumed or no? No.
What do you mean? Oh no, it's not. It's not getting consumed because
Okay.
you didn't do it.
Okay, so next one. Cool, cool, cool. So it looks like it's working.
Okay.
Let's just try to run. Cool. Perfect. Don't judge my trees. I haven't done this map.
Well.
Okay, let's get rid of these ones. Okay. Okay. So that's another one that I can add into the notepad. And then let's see. Close this. Dragon Hammer. Dude, what are some of these moves? I've not even heard of like a good half of the ones I've done today. Let's see. What's an executor one? Okay. How much longer am I going to be streaming? I don't even know. I mean, I could end it now, technically, but I'm just going to be doing the same shit anyways. So, might as well just stream it. Okay, so Dragon Hammer. This one is nothing. It doesn't do anything. No secondary effect. It just deals damage. So this one doesn't need to be coded. It's just needs to have the right numbers. 90, 115. That's it. Also, it makes contact and is affected by Protect. Mirror Move and King's Rock. Save. Moving on. Wait, what type is it? Never mind. Dragon. Oh my god, I just realized I haven't even been looking at the typings.
The type.
Fuck. Okay. Going back at the... Wait, what? Where are the ones I edited? Spirit Shackle. Okay, this is a ghost type move. When Aaron, when he makes the editor, did he say if he's changing to where it doesn't start with the number and it's going to start with the name instead? Because it's so much more convenient to be able to be like dragon and then like that,
Yeah,
and then it show the right thing.
But since they are using what is it called? I forgot the name of the thing. But they are using JavaScript stuff, so maybe that will be auto completion instead of a drop down.
Okay. Auto completion?
Yeah, we'll check. Yeah.
So if I just typed it, it would like show the rest of it?
Yeah, it will show the thing that matched.
Okay. That also works?
I don't know right now, but we will see.
That also works. Okay, so first impression is I think this is a normal type move, but I actually don't know. It's not. It's a bug move. That makes sense. Okay, bug, physical. Okay, save. And then what else did we do? We did shore up. That's a ground type move for sure. So this one is ground status. Got it. Ground status move. Save. Okay, and then origin pulse. Water and special. Dude, you've honestly been a pretty big help here. So I appreciate you getting in this call, or just even coming to the stream and like, okay, I had to do this one, telling me like what I'm doing wrong. You've saved me a lot of time.
Yeah, totally.
Okay, origin pulse and then strength sap. This one I did not change. This one is grass status. Okay. This has no power. So if it's a status move that has no power, I just do 0. But if it had accuracy, like it could not miss, it would just be 0, you said?
Yes.
Okay.
It should be 0. Sure.
And then the critical rate thing, does this even matter if it's a status move?
It doesn't matter. It will not be checked.
Okay. Just wanted to make sure. This one's gonna be
strength used in the damage calculation.
Okay. So does not make contact, is affected by protect, magic coat, magic bounce. We don't even have magic bounce on here.
What?
We don't have magic bounce as like a choice. Is it like a newer thing? Was introduced in Generation 5. Reflects status changing moves.
So there's a huge chance it's not probably properly programmed.
Okay.
I don't know.
What is magic code? Does it do the same thing?
Oh, magic code. Oh, it's programmed, this one. I think it's...
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Yeah.
Well, wait, magic code does certain status moves, not all of them, apparently. But as of recent, I mean, it looks like it does all of them. Maybe not. Oh, it's status moves. Okay. Because the other one does magic bounce does status changing, like stat changes, I think.
Okay, so I don't know this one.
Yeah, magic bounce, it says reflects status changing moves. So things like all stat lowering moves, status condition ones, even entry hazard moves, like I guess like stealth rocks and stuff, taunt, torment, and so on. So it does all of the same thing as a magic coat. It's basically just a better version of magic coat.
Yeah, totally.
Okay, affected by mirror move. Okay, save. Okay. Okay, cool. How much longer are you streaming? Gotta go. Hopefully you will still be streaming when I get home. Maybe. We'll see. I don't know. I might start playing some some more Pokemon. 1 second. All right, we're back. We're back. Yeah, I don't read Discord. Sorry. Okay. Let's see. So the next move that I'm working on, I don't know how, but I apparently skipped so many.
Oh.
Like I've just been like, I don't know how I'm like jumping around, but there's like a good chunk. Oh wait, no, a lot of these were Z moves, weren't they? No, they're not.
Yeah, that there was a lot of Z move, but
Okay.
But yeah, I think I will leave because it's really.
Yeah, no worries, man. No worries. Thanks for
Yeah.
thanks for helping out while you were here.
Yeah, thank you. You're welcome. Okay, I've
oh,
written the
yikes.
oh, it's in Germany right now.
It's 1:13 in the morning.
No, a bit less, but it's midnight.
Okay, makes sense. All right, man. Well, thanks for helping.
Okay.
All right, man. See ya. Okay. I think, I think I'm gonna wrap the stream. We've been live for 2 hours anyways, so I'll probably do a few more of these and off screen, and then probably start playing some Pokemon Diamond. So thanks everyone who did come out and watch this probably super boring stream. I mean, I didn't really interact too much, and it was really just a whole bunch of writing. But I just wanted to stream something, so this is what you guys got. Hopefully it wasn't too boring, and thanks for coming out. Thanks for liking, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.